Good morning, good morning. I would like to make today a rough green background. Let's start with that. I just want to work intuitively. So lately, I just made another work. Totally in love with it, by the way. You will see that later in another video. But before that, I made a test piece. And that test piece was very intuitive. Such a big difference in when I paint intuitively and when I try to make something. The intuitive one has a lot more dimension and flow, and the other one it lacks something. So let's make sure I'm working more intuitively today. This is a vivid lime green, by the way, and I love that color. I use that quite a lot for the backgrounds when I use green. I was thinking of adding just a touch of this red oxide tint, but let's do that. Don't know if that will start showing up. Might be too much. Green gold. Here and there. Want to go very dark here. Yeah, let's do that. Go with sap green, some Van Dyke brown. It's so wet. Alright, I'm gonna blend this first and then go with the dark colors. It's too wet at the moment. I got a new misting bottle, and this one has a lot more power. It gives a lot more water than the old one, so I think that happened here. I'm pretty pleased with how this looks right now. I'll be back. This background, it looks amazing. I did touch up a little bit of the dark parts, but further I left it how it was. Yes. Okay, I want to create like a circular composition. Let's just go intuitive, right? We need that. Let's create the first brushstroke. That. All right. Loving this so far. quite cool how this looks so far. I just love this background so much. I just love this background so much. The question is, do I want to build a flower somewhere? If I want to, I think it must be here. It's something that I do quite often in such a similar design, that I create a flower here. I'm thinking, thinking. Yeah. Ooh, I like that. It's gorgeous so far. Small one. I like that even. So let's keep that. Let's make a stem. Okay. And still take that away. I've been looking at this and I don't think I want to do anything about this flower anymore. I will touch that up once that is dry. But the background is not doing the heavy lifting at this moment because it does not feel finished. But I think just one flower is the best. Let's mix some white, a little bit of that set green, getting some more brush strokes. It does make things a little rough. Break this up because we need just some more things like that. Yeah, that's nice. I think I will leave this. I always have a hard time to decide when to stop. I always have, but I must say I'm always looking at it diagonally. And when it's dry, I can really feel the power of the the canvas because I will hang it up, look at it, stare at it for a long time. Also, I will make a picture after I stop all the cameras and start looking at it, what it needs more. So maybe I will do some light touches. I think I will. But I'll be back with the end result for you.